Thank you, Mubarra, for coming. Mubarra Mubin is pursuing her bachelor's degree from Superior College, Bhalia. So, thank you for coming here. And Mubarra, she mostly writes free verse poetry and prose. She wants to do CSS. She mostly deals with topics like social decay of Pakistan, freedom, women, exploitation. She has written non-fiction, actually. She has tried non-fiction. So at this level, she has tried non-fiction. Her work is...
Assalamualaikum everyone.
Mubarra Mubin, page number 11, Women in Literacy in Pakistan. Yes, please.
My topic is women in literacy in Pakistan. In Pakistan, women in literacy is a multifaceted issue, especially in our backward areas. This issue is common, and so I wanted about this issue. And today, I have the opportunity to present my topic. Literacy means the ability to read and write in a specific language. It's important for communication and understanding written information and express oneself through writing. Literacy is important because it enables us to communicate, access information, and participate fully in society. It opens doors to education, employment, and personal growth. Literacy is a fundamental skill that empower individuals and contribute to their overall development. Different writers have different opinions about literacy. Some writers use literacy as a tool for empowerment, enabling individuals to access knowledge, express themselves, and participate fully in society. Others emphasize the importance of critical literacy, which involves analyzing and questioning the information we encounter, promoting critical thinking and informed decision making. Some writers highlight the role of digital literacy in the modern, where being able to navigate and understand technology is crucial for communication, information gathering, and success in various fields. There are also writers who suggest the significance of cultural literacy, which involves understanding and appreciating different culture, tradition, and perspectives. The low literacy rate among women in Pakistan is a multifaceted issue. In women, literacy rate is very low due to some reason. Pakistan is a male-dominant society. Pakistani women are not highly educated or literate. This is one of the social systems because society does not like the education of girls. They should consider girls only done the domestic activities and not take part in social or educational activities. Pakistani people do not give equal opportunity to boys and girls. One of the reasons for the lack of education among women in our society is the perception that people have, which is that after getting married, a girl should be sent to her husband's home. People believe that investing in girls' education will not benefit their own family in the future, whereas boys are seen as the inheritors of the family and their education is considered necessary. In our society, one of the reasons of the lack of education among women is the belief that if girls are educated, they won't be able to find jobs while boys can work. This misconception leads to the notion that girls don't need education. However, it's important to recognize that education is valuable for everyone, regardless of gender. It opens door to opportunity and empower individuals to contribute to society in various ways. Because of illiteracy in our traditional culture, one reason for the lack of women education, people believe that when girls go to school, they end up running households instead of pursuing education. This is a misconception and it contributes to the educational gap for girls. Also, on the other hand, when their parents pass away, those who live with them make do household chores and their own children are the ones who attend school and colleges. Especially, it can also be reason that when girls mother passed away, her stepmother comes and makes her do household chores while sending her own children to school. This misconception often arises that if she goes to school, no one will take care of household chores, even though she is on who manages the entire household and her own children to go to school. Lack of resources, lack of awareness, poverty are major cause of illiteracy. Poverty is a major cause of illiteracy because many people in Pakistan are not employed and can't afford the resources of education. The country has a large population of young people and the government is unable to create enough jobs under the low budget of education to meet the demand. Gender discrimination is also a major cause of illiteracy. Gender inequality is a pervasive issue in Pakistan with women facing discrimination in education. Women are often denied their right and subjected to violence. In Pakistan, women get married in early age because of the fear of parents about the absence of safe environment. So early marriage is the main cause of illiteracy. Misunderstanding between modernism and vulgarity is also an important reason. Another reason of illiteracy is religious perception. Due to insufficient knowledge, religious scholars actually misguide the society to keep the women under prison by not educating them. They are the major influence of society, but the impact of their knowledge and perception is leading the masses in wrong direction. In the end, I just want to say is that the education of a woman is just as a necessity of education for men. The education of a man is the education of an individual, while the education of a woman is the education of whole family. Women education is most important for every country. The developed country of the world have got their development through education. Understanding is very important for everyone, including Muslims. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he encouraged his followers to be illiterate and said that we should preserve knowledge through writing.
Thank you, Mubarra. We are short of time. We cannot have questions. Yes, so just we have 2 or 3 writers, and I just make them go through this process, and then we can have a question. Thank you, Mubarra. Yes, please.